This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and water are ready. That prevents damage and leaks. Next, sort garments so similar fabrics wash together. This protects fibers and balances the drum. Load clothes loosely. Do not overfill because agitation needs space to clean. Add measured detergent to the detergent drawer or drum, depending on your model, and pour fabric softener in its compartment. Once done, close the door firmly and tap the start options so you can move to cycle selection. You now pick the appropriate cycle and settings. Doing so tailors agitation, time, and water use to the load. Select temperature. Cold preserves dyes and saves energy, warm cleans synthetics efficiently, and hot sanitizes heavy whites. Then set spin speed. Lower for delicates to reduce stress, higher for towels to extract water. If you want fresher results or have sensitive skin, choose extra rinse. Make sure to lock the child safety or door lock. Then press start to begin. You finish the cycle by opening the door and removing garments promptly. This prevents odors and deep wrinkles, and it helps the next load. Shake garments out and sort for drying. Dryer-safe items go to the dryer on the recommended heat, while delicates or items with embellishments should air dry. If the machine stops, vibrates excessively, or shows an error, make sure its level and drainage and inlet filters are clear, because those are common fixes before calling support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.